You know, when I was small, and even after my graduation and post-graduation, even after I joined the college, my role model has been my father. I have that regret that I could not give too much of time and attention to him, but it was he who molded me. And whenever I go and start a speech, I always tell people that it is because of my father I am standing here today. He was a role model because, as I told already, when I was small, he started with ABCD. When I finished my 7th standard, my mother had her own problems. She was a bit sick and all that. So my father didn't know what to do. He wanted me to have education. And there was a boarding school in Bantwal, Sisters Boarding School. And he took me to the boarding school. And when he was returning, leaving me there, I still remember his face. He had so many tears in his eyes. But he made me go to the boarding school. Then I once remember, I was very good in English, though I was a Kannada medium student. But there in the boarding school, I had lots of fun and I failed in English. Can you believe this? When I came home, he made me stand outside the house for 2 hours. And he said, you have no entry. My father, who was so mild, he made me stand 2 hours outside and he said, I have no entry. And that was the lesson. And after I finished my SSLC, and I wanted to do shorthand typing. That time shorthand typewriting was the only course people were joining. And I said, I am also going to do, 15, 16-year-old, a villager. I didn't even have my own ideas then. And I was on the fatter side, so much of inferiority inside, because everybody used to call me poor nose, fat and all that. And because of that, I was saying, I'll do my shorthand typing and then I'll have a small job. My father that time, you will not believe, he did not talk to me for 3 days. And he said, you are going to go to the college. And after I finished my degree at St. Agnes, there was no money for post-graduation. So he said, no, I have half an acre of land. I will take a loan. You proceed. So can you get a better role model than him? And then when I went to college, it was one sister, Sister Noeline. St. Agnes, there were 2 groups. One is the group of the elite, the other one is villagers. And we didn't even have proper clothes to wear. And it is that time, generally the teachers will be towards this group, elite group. And it was this sister who picked me up and she said, you are capable of doing things. And she was teaching economics. And today, if I am what I am today, I also treat her as my mentor. Both are in heaven. Let eternal Father grant them rest.